love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep track of time. Being so serious, idiots thinking it will matter. Keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around. And then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. Shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that they sent me is their 13x4, 24-inch, 200% density loose deep wave wig. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on their site so I can give you guys more details about this particular unit. So on their site, it says loose deep wave lace front wig, human hair, long wig for women. Okay, so this unit is available in 14 to 36, to 36 inches, child, 36 inches. So this unit goes from 14 to 36 inches, girl. Girl. The lace sizes that they have available is the 5x5, the 13x4, and the 13x6 wig. So you can get either or. They have it available in the regular lace and the HD lace. The densities that they have available is 180, 200, and 250%. I'm not really 100% sure with the lace. I want to say it's HD lace, but I could be wrong. It could be regular lace. I would recommend just checking down below in the description box so you will know which one it is. So their product details says a human hair type Wiggins hair lace front wig. The texture is loose deep wave. The hair color is natural black. It is Swiss lace and HD lace. You can, pick either or. the features are can be dyed or bleached to the number 27. So meaning you cannot bleach this unit higher than number 27. Like when you bleach it as high as it's gonna get. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. Now this unit does come pre-tweezed. As far as the bleaching, I did not feel like it came super bleached. But you can bleach it if you want to. I feel like you can definitely work around it being bleached. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. It doesn't say on there whether the cap size is average or not, but I do feel like the cap size is medium to big head friendly. I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that, honey, okay? So, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. But I usually deem a unit to be big head friendly if I have to adjust the straps, which I did have to adjust the straps pretty tightly with this unit, so I deem it to be big head friendly. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not received either, but it's straight out of the packaging, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it. It's not to say at some point, oh, girl won't do none of the things. It's just to say, straight out of the packaging, she did none of the things, okay? So do with that what you want to do with that, boo. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Oh, I do want to mention that it definitely did come pre-tweezed. I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. So, oh girl, she woke up like this, okay? She woke up like this. I did decide to add some baby hairs to the unit, but she woke up like this, okay? So that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. All right, honey, so we are going to start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note, so I always like to start with the cons and ends with the pros. Not ends, and end with the pros. So my con with this wig is my standard con, y'all. It's a 13x4. They do have a 13x6 and a 5x5 available, but this is a 13x4. And honestly, I probably would have preferred the 5x5, because you know your girl love a closure. Okay, she just do. But I did get the 13x4, meaning right here, if you're not careful, with styling it, you're gonna hit weft. Okay, so that is my con. That is usually my con with a lot of units, and that's just to kind of throw something out there. Let's just throw something out there to you, girl. But they do have a 13x6 available, so that is always a plus. Okay, so my pros with this wig is, first of all, the texture is everything. You guys know, if you watch me, I love a good loose deep wave wig. And oh girl, it's a good one, okay? Let me throw that southern, that Bama to you, girl. This a good one, all right? I love the texture of this wig. I love the way that it feels. I love how it can go from being extremely big hair to extremely sleek. I think the only thing that I showed you guys me using was the Cantu, and then I decided I wanted to go for more of a sleek sort of look. So I did decide to add my Aussie Detangling Milk. Yeah, I did decide to add my Aussie Miracle Curls leave-in Detangling Milk to it, to just kind of give it more of that sleek sort of look, because I decided that's what I wanted instead of the big hair don't care. But I love the versatility of it. I also love the fact that it came pre-tweezed. You can't beat that with a stick, girl, okay? You cannot beat that with a stick. And I also love the hairline, like, I mean the parting space. So yeah, those are my pros with this wig. So honestly, yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. I think that it is beginner friendly because it does come pre-tweezed, and it comes really, really nicely pre-tweezed. It's not a whole lot you'll have to do to this wig when you get it. So I love that for me, and I would definitely recommend it on that alone. I also love the texture, as I stated, and I love the length because it says it's 24 inches. I'm 5'4", and you guys are gonna see in a minute that where it comes to me, but I feel like it's pretty darn long. Okay, it is definitely 24 inches, just, you know, in its natural state, not 24 inches if it was straightened out. So yeah, I would recommend this wig for sure. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling this wig as much as I am. I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. Your girl wants to know. Sound off down below in the comments, honey. I want to know what you think. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.